Let's have it. Come on.
Who is there? Hold on, I'm coming. Do you want to break the door?
Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Your boyfriend said I should come and fix the AC.
Oh, you're the AC guy?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, my boyfriend just stepped out. He's not around.
So what's going to happen, ma'am?
You can come inside and wait for him.
Oh, I can come in?
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
All right.
Have your seat, okay? I'll come in a minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Sure you're okay?
Yes, I'm okay, ma'am. I'm okay. Yes, ma'am. I'm okay, ma'am.
If you need anything, you let me know.
No, I'm fine. Thank you.
Are you okay?
I'm okay, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am. I'm fine.
You're okay?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. You sure you're fine?
I'm fine. I'm fine, ma.
Make yourself at home.
Yes, ma. I'm fine.
My boyfriend will be back soon.
Okay. Madam, please, when is your boyfriend coming back now?
Like in the next 10 minutes, okay? Don't worry. Just please make yourself at home.
Oh, okay.
If you need anything, please let me know.
Okay, ma. Okay, ma.
Are you okay? What is this? What are you doing?
I'm sorry, ma.
Are you okay?
I'm sorry, ma. I'm sorry.
Are you like I don't understand?
I'm sorry, ma.
What are you doing? I just asked you to sit down away from my boyfriend.
I'm sorry.
What is the meaning of that?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, ma.
This is okay.
Madam.
Yes?
Please, I have to go. Maybe I will come back.
Why? Are you not waiting for him again? He's coming.
It's not like that. There's somebody one of my clients called me this morning. He's at Obalende.
I just finished talking to my boyfriend. He said he's coming.
I have to go and answer the person before. I thought maybe I would just come here and fix the AC.
Just wait for him. The next 10 minutes he should be back.
Madam, I'm sorry. I'll come back. Yes, ma'am.
So you're going now?
Let me come back, please.
Oh, really?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Well, my boyfriend is coming already. I just called him 10 minutes ago. He should be on his way by now.
Madam, it's not like I have to go and do this.
I know, but I want you to stay. Don't you like what you say?
Madam, I have to go to Obalende to fix.
But you go to Obalende, I'm not stopping you. But you want to leave me like this? Just you want to leave all these things and go. Don't you like what you say? Just leave. My boyfriend will be back soon.
It's the AC they want me to fix.
Yes, you will still fix the AC. Listen, you can't just leave everything like this now. Want to leave?
Hey, madam, it's not. Hey, madam, I have to.
I know, just calm down.
Hey, God. Madam, the thing is, I have to go to Obalende to fix the AC.
Down. Follow me to the room. I want you to fix me.
Ha, madam. Madam.
You go to Balinda and fix the AC. My room AC is bad, and I also want you to fix me.
I should fix.
Me. I want you to focus on me. The hand you used to fix AC, the way you fix it, you rough handle it. I want you to fix me like that.
Ah.
Right? Look at you. Can't just go for Balinda like this, leaving all these things.
Hey, madam.
Just leave me like
Hey,
this.
madam, please. I have to.
Just you can't leave it. Don't you see? Don't you go?
Madam.
You want to leave all these things and you could come.
Madam, hey.
Just come to my room. I just want you to see my AC. Then you help me to fix it.
I should come. Madam, I don't know which one. The AC or I should come and.
First, you fix me. You fix it. Then you fix the AC.
How many things am I fixing?
I know. This.
Okay.
This and this very important.
But madam,
Relax. You enjoy. You're in a safe hand.
Okay, ma.